Hello everyone, Rahul here from TechReview Pro and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to add YouTube music as background song to your iPhone videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to add YouTube songs as background music to your iPhone videos, you will need three things. Number one, a video to which you want to add the background music. Number two, the music that you want to add. And number three, a video editing application. And apart from that, you will also need some video editing skills. And that is what I'm going to teach you today. For video editing purpose, we are going to use an app called iMovie, which is a completely free iPhone app available in the App Store for all iPhone users. You must simply go to App Store and search for iMovie and download and install this. But chances are this might have been already installed on your iPhone. So you must simply tap open to open this, and as soon as iMovie opens, you will see a startup user interface like this. Here from these various options, you need to select movie and then tap create movie to create a new movie project. Now here you are in the new project area of iMovie, and this is the basic interface. The first thing you need to do is you need to be familiar with the user interface of iMovie. So in case you are completely new to iMovie and you don't have any idea of the basic user interface of iMovie, then let me tell you, this is the timeline area and this is where your video will preview. So the first thing you need to do is add any media, that is video or photo, to this new iMovie project. For that, you simply need to tap on plus icon here and then select the photo or video that you want to add here to the new project. I'm going to select video, and from my favorites, I'll select this one. This is the one to which I want to add background music. So I'll simply tap plus to add this to the project. And by the way, before you add to the project, you may also tap the play button here to preview it. And once you are sure about the media file that you are going to use, you must simply tap plus icon and this will add the video to the timeline. Now this is the timeline and this is the area where you can preview the video. Now before we proceed to the next step of adding background song to this iPhone video, the first thing we need to do is we need to disable the existing audio of this video. For that, we will simply tap on this, and then from these editing options, we will simply select the audio icon here, and then we will lower down the volume all the way down to 0. So this has basically removed the existing audio from this video. And by the way, if you need to keep the existing audio, you may keep that as well depending upon your needs. But I'll prefer to keep it 0% so that it is clean video without audio and I can add my background song to this video. Now the next thing I'll need is the music from YouTube that I want to add to this iPhone video. And since we are going to use YouTube to get the audio to be used as background song to this iPhone video, let me tell you, you can't just download any random music from YouTube and use that into your movie project, because the song on YouTube belong to their respective owners and you need to ensure that you have the permission to use the YouTube music into your iPhone videos. Because if you just randomly download any music from YouTube without the permission of the music owner, you might have to face any copyright issues or legal troubles later. So to avoid that, you simply need to do as I'm showing. Simply minimize this and I'll go to Safari and then visit YouTube audio library. In case you don't know, YouTube has a huge database of audio in its audio library, and it provides creators easy access to that with just a YouTube Creator Studio account. So if you have a creator account, you must simply log into your YouTube Creator Studio and access the YouTube audio library. Simply tap continue, and then here you will get various options for audio to select and download. You may tap the play button to preview the audio, and once you are happy with the audio, you must simply download it by tapping this download button. Next, tap download and it will be available in the downloads section. So this is the free YouTube song that I just downloaded, and you may download any of the free YouTube songs from YouTube audio library and use that in your video projects completely free. Now it's time to show you how you can add this YouTube song as background music to your iPhone video. And for that, I'll simply go to iMovie again, and within the same iMovie project we were working on, I'll simply tap on plus icon and then I'll go back and from here I'll need to select the audio file that we just downloaded. So currently we are in the video section, so I'll go back again and then I'll go to Files app and then select the free YouTube music that we just downloaded. So as we just tapped on that, the free YouTube music is now imported in this iMovie project. As you can see the green bar here, this is the audio, and if you just tap the play button here, you may hear the audio. If you are happy with the audio, you may keep that, and if you want to make some modifications like increasing or decreasing the audio volume, you may do that as well. For that, simply tap on the audio here and then select the sound icon here and increase or decrease the volume as per your needs. You may also add a fade in or fade out transition for the audio. Once you are done with the editing, you may simply tap the play icon here to preview it. And if everything is fine, simply tap done, and we are ready to export the iPhone video with the background music added. So now the YouTube song as background music is added to this iPhone video, and in order to export this, we simply need to tap this share icon. And by the way, if you want, you may also rename the project file before you do that. Simply tap cancel and tap here and rename this from My Movie 3 to something of your own choice like free background music video, and once done, tap done. So now the project is renamed and we are ready to export this. So tap share and then from these various options tap save video, and this video will start exporting. Now the iPhone video with background music added is exported to your photo library, and you must simply tap OK and minimize this, and then you can see the video here. So this is how you may add free YouTube songs as background music to your iPhone videos completely free. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know, and if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.